Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 13. Playing with Columns. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at the columns, step by step. So let's get started. So again we start with Post and select Add New. Now click on this plus sign to add blocks and select Browse All. From here select Columns and then select the variations of your choice. Let's select this one 50/50 and here we can see 2 columns. Now in this block, you can add anything you want like gallery. For next, let's select Browse All and from here select YouTube URL. Now again select this plus sign and insert columns. Let's select this one. As you can see the space is divided. On left also, we repeat the same process of inserting columns. In one column, add button and you can also insert your text on button. To another column, let's add button as well and on it write anything you want. This way, you can add more columns and blocks in it. You can insert more columns into one column. So this is how the columns work. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 14. How to add blocks to build a post. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to add blocks to build a post, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.